So you started selling on Amazon, and then you quickly discovered that selling on Amazon, three main problems that you might face. Number one, you discovered that even though Amazon is an online business where technically you can manage it from anywhere and at any time, but it does require all of these skills, and it sometimes feels like this. Problem number two is that even though Amazon is very good at giving us all of the technical details required to sell on Amazon, and you might find all of the technical details online. I know we put a lot of that content here on YouTube, and I'm sure you find a lot of details such as how to create a listing, how to send products over to Amazon. But Amazon fails to provide you any business skills, and business skills are a little bit hard to explain via a YouTube video. Things like what should be the selling price of your product? How can you create the correct PPC ad strategy in order to reduce your ACoS? What even should be your ideal ACoS? Problem number three is that most Amazon sellers start this Amazon journey as something on the side, obviously with a vision of developing a business which can take you to financial freedom. Most Amazon sellers start with a business that they already have, or maybe you are employed somewhere and then you also create an Amazon store and you start selling on Amazon on the side. So basically what I'm trying to say is you don't have time to dedicate in order to do all of the things to make your Amazon business succeed to the highest level. So what can you do? Let's talk about it. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. Now, Amazon Sellers Society is an agency. We work with brands, businesses, and entrepreneurs, and we offer operational services, anything related to Amazon. Our team can help you do everything that you need in order for you to succeed on Amazon, and we're focused on the Middle East. But we also recognize these three pain points that I just talked about. And we recognize that a lot of people are facing these problems, if not everyone, when you start selling on Amazon. And that's why we developed Sellers Society, because time is very important. And using time efficiently is also very important. I'm going to talk about it, but first, let me tell you how you can win some valuable prizes from our partners. On May 8th, Sunday, May 8th, we decided to create a challenge, a 5-day challenge. Maybe you saw the video right here on YouTube, maybe you missed it. So the 5-day challenge was all about challenging you in order to work on your business with the help of our Software Sellers Society. We challenged participants and we got a lot of participants, and we got a lot of our partners, our fantastic partners, to pitch in and provide prizes. These are our three fantastic winners. Congratulations to all of the winners. But if you want to win, I still have a lot of prizes and I want to give you, even if you didn't participate in the challenge, I think you should win a prize. So all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. What is your favorite part of selling on Amazon? If you don't know, let me make it easier for you. How about make more money? Now that's a good reason of selling on Amazon. But let me know in the comment section below, and maybe you can win a valuable prize. And if you want to learn a little bit more about all of our fantastic partners, they offer services, software, so many things to Amazon sellers. I'm going to leave the list and all the links in the description box of this video. You'll find an arrow somewhere under this video. Just click on it and the description box will open up and you'll find all of the links of our wonderful partners. Thank you so much for everyone who provided us with great gifts for you, as well as the participants in the Sellers Society Challenge. Now, going back to what I said in the beginning, one thing that I want you to think about, and one really simple task that I want you to do right now, is trying to evaluate how you spend time managing your Amazon business. So, you know how the saying goes, work smarter, not harder? And this became really popular with Tim Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Workweek. So the idea behind the saying, as well as the book, The 4-Hour Workweek, is not basically working less, and it's not working literally 4 hours a week, but it's being so efficient in all the tasks that you do in anything that you don't actually need to work more than 4 hours. You're able to pack all the tasks that you normally do in a full work week into 4 hours. So how can we do that when it comes to Amazon? Well, one thing that you can do, and you're going to do it right now, is you need to list out exactly what you spend time on when it comes to Amazon. Because we're focused on Amazon here. The other things that you do, you're going to have to do them on your own. But for this video, I want you to focus on the things that you spend most time on. Do you spend a lot of time trying to figure out what to do with your PPC ads? Do you spend a lot of time trying to do manual review requests? What do you spend time on? And most importantly, what do you enjoy spending time on? And what do you not enjoy spending time on? And then we have to dive a little bit deeper and try to figure out what you can do in order to reduce the time and use your time more efficiently, so that you can focus on the things that you like to work on and the things that you don't really value, that take a lot of your time and don't really give you any pleasure, or maybe you're not even good at them. What are we going to be doing with those things? Well, first and foremost, you can try out a software. There's a lot of softwares that can help you automate these things, or you can potentially get someone, an outside person, a virtual assistant or an expert, someone to help you with these things without having to spend a lot of money, but giving someone that can give you better results than you're currently getting, and giving you back some time so that you can focus on the things that you like doing and the things that you know you're good at when it comes to Amazon. So that's your task, and that's what you need to do. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about how you can improve your listing on Amazon, and most importantly, what are the secrets to getting the Amazon Choice Badge, and how is the Amazon Choice Badge related to reviews, and how many reviews you currently have on your listing? Well, we created a free masterclass on Sellers Society, sellersociety.io. You can go ahead and watch it right now. Just go to the website and check it out and learn how you can be able, hopefully, to get the Amazon Choice Badge, and how Sellers Society automates the idea behind getting reviews. Reviews, we all know, are very important, but they're also a little bit tough to get. So you need to have a strategy in place in order to get those reviews. You'll be able to find all of the information. And if you want to watch another video, I would suggest to watch this one or that one. That's it for this video. Very fast, simple, and easy. And I'll see you in another one with more information. Bye.